Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lincoln Navigator and Cadillac Escalade. We will explore their distinct approaches to luxury, performance, and technology. You will learn about their engine options, interior comforts, and advanced features to help you decide which premium SUV best suits your needs. This comparison will highlight key differences in design and driving experience. When it comes to performance, the Navigator's twin-turbo V6 delivers impressive power and torque, often around 440 horsepower. The Escalade, with its V8, provides a strong, traditional feel, typically offering about 420 horsepower. Both vehicles offer sophisticated adaptive suspensions, ensuring a remarkably smooth and composed ride, whether cruising highways or navigating city streets. Inside, both SUVs redefine luxury. The Navigator boasts a prominent 48-inch panoramic digital display, while the Escalade impresses with its expansive, curved 38-inch OLED total display. Both cabins feature exquisite materials, comfortable seating, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These technologies enhance safety and convenience, making every journey more enjoyable and less stressful for everyone. Considering value, the Navigator often starts around $102,000, offering a compelling luxury package. The Escalade typically begins closer to $81,000, reflecting its unique technology and presence. Your choice depends on whether you prefer the Navigator's refined power or the Escalade's bold statement and cutting-edge tech. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.